Import the image by dragging and dropping it into MAGIC Engrave Janus. Laser for the ninja image. Diamond tool scribing for the shuriken blades. First, enter the card dimensions and set up the workspace for laser marking and diamond tool scribing. Enter the dimensions of the metal card as 50 by 33 millimeters. Align both images to the same position and size. After positioning the image, select Image Toolpath from the top menu to create a toolpath for the ninja image. Select the ninja image and adjust the dithering settings in Image Adjustment. Since the workpiece is a black metal card, enable NIGA to invert the image for better engraving results. Adjust the DPI setting to enhance the clarity and detail of the image. The image toolpath created from the previous steps can now be reviewed. Next, create a hatching toolpath for the blade image to perform diamond tool scribing. With the image selected, click Hatching Toolpath. This process converts the image into a 1-bit black and white format. Once the 1-bit black and white conversion is complete, reselect Hatching Toolpath to proceed with toolpath generation. If the toolpath generation icon is unavailable, select Toolpath, Hatching Toolpath from the top menu to continue. Select the diamond tip tool and adjust the engraving parameters, including depth and machining speed. Move both toolpaths to the center and align them so the images match perfectly. Verify that the two toolpaths are perfectly aligned. Then, with both toolpaths selected, click Connected Engraver and choose Janus. The two generated toolpaths will appear in the toolpath panel on the left side. You can rearrange the execution order of the toolpaths within this panel. As configured in the job sequence, the laser marking operation is performed first. After completing the initial laser marking process, the CNC scribing operation is performed as the second step. Need advanced laser and CNC solution? Explore a wide range of professional engraving, machining technologies, REDT,